This conference will now be recorded.
So guys, now let us say one program like so I want to write a program, right? Right? Three numbers from user and print them in ascending and and descending order, guys. Now ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending order, right? I want to take three numbers from user, and those three numbers I want to display in both ascending and descending order. Ascending order, right? Descending order, guys. Okay. So first of all, take three numbers from user. So I take first input, enter, right? Enter first number. Enter. Suppose, guys, I'll take the first number like this. Enter first number. Okay, first number. So it's giving number, but input reads data in the string format. So we take the conversion here in top. One variable, suppose n1 variable, guys, right? N1 variable. Enough. Next, right? Next one, input will take here enter second number and take into format into type. Then save in the variable. Suppose n2 ascent variable, right? N2. Okay. Next one. Let's one more number also, guys. Here input enter right third number. Enter third number. Let's take into type. Then we'll take n3 variable. Okay, n3 variable, guys. Enough. So we have three numbers now, and those three are the integer type. Okay, fine. Fine, guys. Now see, if you want, I'll display the values here. I'm taking a print of n1, and I want display here print of type of n1. Let us see now. Print of type of n1. Same thing, guys. Now, so print of n2, right? Print of n2. Then just I'm cross-checking now whether same type is there or not. Right? Print of type of n2. Okay, type of n2. The last one is print of n3, and we take a print of, right? I take type of n3. Now let's run this one, right? So first number 10, second number 12, next number 13, 14, guys, right? Next number, right? 14. Yes, see. So here, first number n110, type of n1, which one? Int came, right? Int came here. See, guys, now what's n1? N1 is the 10, and type of n1. What type of n1 is the integer type? Next one n2. What's n2 value here? N2 value is 12, and type of n2 is the which one? Int type is there. Next, third one is the n3 value. What's n3 here? 14, and type of n3 is right 14. Okay. So first, right, first value 10, so 10. Second value 12, so 12. Third value 14, so 14, guys, here. So now we have three integers with integer type, into type. Okay, into type. Right, now we can can display in ascending order or in descending order. Okay, I'll take the function name, guys. Here I'll take the function name, suppose def. I take the name displaying right, ascending, right, r right, descending order, guys. Now descending order, displaying ascending or ascending under descending, descending order. Okay, like this, guys. Now we take the function call name. We take the same name, guys, but it seems very lengthy name, right? Very lengthy name. Displaying in order. That's all. Displaying displaying order. That's all. Okay. Always, guys, the name should be very short and sweet, and complete meaningful must be there. Okay. Right. That's all. Now it's the function definition, right? I'm taking the function definition and I'm giving temporarily pass. So why pass we use to create a block temporarily. it performs the null operation. Okay, performs the null operation, which is dummy operation, right? So in the function call, we take the same variables, right? N1, N2, and N3 we take here. I'm taking now N1, N2, and N3. The same actual values, the same actual parameters, I should pass to where to the formal parameters. There we take the maybe same name again, N1, N2, N3, we take it. Take any numbers also. Suppose I take here X comma, Y comma, and Z. We can take any name, guys, now. X comma, Y comma, Z. Okay, then. So here now print of X, check it now. Print of Y, right? Print of Y, print of Y, okay, print of Y, and then guys here print of, right? Print of Z, print of Z. Check the values, check it now. X, Y, Z, right? Now I am giving same 10, 20, right? 30. See, same print of X 10, print of Y 20, print of Z also 30 is there. Okay, fine. Means whatever I am giving the values here, values the same values coming to the here, the same one sent to here. So that finally the X has this first value. Which value? Suppose 10. X has a 10. Okay, X has 10. Next one, suppose I am giving 20 here. I am giving 20 for a second, right? 20. The 20 assigned to the n2, the same n2 taking where in the function definition, a function call, that n2 assigned to the y, n2 assigned to the y. The third one is I am giving suppose 30 here. For example, guys, now, right? 30 I am giving here. Then 30 assigned to n3, n3, right? n3 coming to which one here? Function call as a actual argument. From there, going to the z. So finally, guys, here, find what is happening here. So 10 coming indirectly x. Okay. 20 coming indirectly where? To the y. And 30 coming to where? To the z. That's all, guys, now. That's all. Okay, now it's fine guys here. Now actually I don't want display normal, right? I want to find out the ascending and descending order of these three values. Now what do? I take one value, I compute the remaining two, right? Suppose guys he is giving here, suppose number 10 he is giving, and he is giving here some number, suppose he is giving a number 12, and he is giving some other number maybe 8, like this, right? Now how do we take an ascending descending means, first of all take one number, suppose I take 10, then the 10 I compare with 12 and 18, 12 and 18, all of, right? So suppose it's x, right? It's x value, it's y value, it's z value, where in the function definition those names taken, right? X value, then it's a y, and it's z, right? It's z. Now see I'm comparing here the x value must be greater than y and z, greater than y and z. That's why if x greater than y and also x greater than z, that means x is the bigger value. We're taking one by one, guys. Now we're taking the number by number, not all at a time, right? First of all, see here 10, right? In 10, this 10 must be above the 12 and also above that 8. Then only it's called which one? 10 is the bigger value. We take one order first of all, right? That's why what I am doing now, what I am doing here, observe of if x and take suppose guys here greater than I'll take suppose equal also, let's see equal also, take greater than y, and also the same x must be greater than or equal to z, right? Then fine, guys, now. So in this case, what is the highest value? X, highest value x, right? Here I'm taking now, just I'm taking the x, right? So what's the highest value now? X. Okay, x came. Next compare the yz also, right? Just compare the yz also. I'm taking now, if y greater than z, that means y second place, then z third place. I'm taking second condition now. Now x is fixed, right? X is over now. X is decided. X is the bigger value. As for this one, x is the one bigger value. Now remaining here, remaining y and z, remaining y and z. I think one more subcondition here, one more if, which if here, if y greater than z, y greater than z. If it is true means that means y and z, one order coming guys now, one order coming. Which order is one? Maybe any order. I'm taking the greater than means like descending order, highest value, second highest value, then third highest value. So which order coming now? Descend order coming. I'm taking the x greater than y, greater than means I'm taking the highest value. I'm comparing these two. I'm taking y greater than means second highest value, then third highest value. That's why now what do we do again? If y greater than or equal to z, greater than or equal to z, right? Z. Now all of you observe here what happened here. Because of the first if, what's the highest value now? X is the highest value, bigger value. X is greater than or equal to y, and also greater than or equal to z, means x is the, if it is true means what is the meaning? This true means x is the more than yz or equal to yz, more than yz or equal to yz. Now again compare to y and z, compare y and z. If it is also true means what's the meaning here? Y greater than z, like this now, z here. So x, y, z, which are coming here? Descending order coming, descending order coming guys here, descending order coming. So the highest value, second highest value, then third highest value. Okay, right. Now, so all of you observe here. Let's take now print of. Okay, which order coming, right? Descending order coming as here. I'll take now here. I'll take here the descending order, right? Descending order is which one? X comma y comma z, x comma y comma z. So ascending means reverse, right? Ascending means reverse only. I take now print of, right? Print of the ascending, right? Ascending order is, right? Order is then which one? Ascending means like z, y and x, z, y, x. Now, so what is our guys here now? What is our here? See, now all of you observe here. I take else here. Now see, x is fixed now. X is fixed. Now I'm comparing with yz now. It may be true or may be false. May false means what's meaning of false here? It's false means z greater than y, right? Z greater than y. See, x is fixed guys now. X is fixed. Now I'm talking about which one? Y or z. Second place is it y or z? The first one x is fixed. Right? I'm comparing y and z. First of all, if y greater than z, then this is the order. So y, z, like this order. Else means what's the meaning here? Z greater than y. Z greater than y. That's why I'm taking the else. For this purpose now, again, for this purpose only, yz only. Yz, right? Yz only here. Then I'm taking here, which one now? Printer, right? Printer. Same, the descending order. Descending order is x is common, x is fixed. Now which one now? It is the which one now? Tell me now. Y, right? Z, y, x comma z comma y. All of you are clear, right? All of following me, right? All of you are clear. Are you following here?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now again print off, right? I take the ascending now. We take the ascending order. So what's the meaning of ascending order? Ascending order guys here is the reverse of the current descending order, right? In the current descending order, what is there? X, Z, Y. So reverse means which one now? Y, comma Z, comma X. That's all. X guys now. It's enough now. Now, so guys here, see in this way, first of all, I am talking about the X now. I'm talking about the X. X is I'm taking the highest value, first of all. Then I'm comparing here next what second highest, y or z. So first time x is fixed, I'm taking the first x. Now If y greater than z, so we take the x, y, z, x, y, z. Or it's false is there, else means then x is common. I'm taking now z, y. I'm taking now z, y, guys. These two are changing now. These two, right? These two are changing, guys. These two are changing. These two are changing here. Right? See now. So x, y, z, right? X, y, z. Or else x, z, y, right? X, z, y. X, z, y, guys. Now see here now. X, z, y. Here, let's talk about whole descending order only. Descending order only I'm talking here. Ascending means if you take in the reverse order of this, ascending will come automatically. Ascending will come automatically if I take in the reverse order. Okay. Now about x4, guys. Now about x4. Next, what do? I take y is fixed. Then check it now. Now x or z or else z or x. Z or x like this. Next day one more. Next day the z is fixed. Now compare x and y, and or else y and z like this. Y and z here. I'm taking the one value as highest value. Remaining two I'm comparing. Next I'm taking second highest value. The remaining two I'm comparing. And one more highest value as the highest value. Remaining two I'm comparing here. Remaining two I'm comparing here. Now x comparison over. Now I take the y. There also we take again sub if sub lf. Okay, right. Now guys observe here. I take now which one? L if sorry. Here right L if. Now so already what comparison over here? X comparison over. With the y and also with the z. It's over. Now what do? I take the y comparison with x and z. Okay. Now guys observe here. Yeah, L if y greater than equal to z and same y greater than or equal to x. Okay, equal to x. Now take the sub if y. If now what do? I compare now which one? Z and x. If z or else anything else now. If z or if x we can take, I can take or else. So under means anything else, no problem is there. So I'll take the x here. I take the z. Now if x greater than or equal to which one now? Z. Okay, z. Then so now what's the order, guys? Here now tell me now what is the order? What is the order here? What's the order now? So x is fixed, y is fixed. Then z sorry x z. So y z x. Now order, which order? Descending order, because I'm taking the first y is the highest number of these two, x and z. If it is true, go inside. They also compare now x greater than z. If it is true means what is the meaning? First y, then x, then z. That's the descending, right? I'll take here the descending order, right? See which one? Y comma x comma z. Enough. Now for the same one, if I take here print of ascending means reverse. That's all. The ascending order. Which one here? Take the reverse of these three. Reverse, right? Means z, right? Z, then x and y, guys. Now x and y. Now we take the else here. Now we take the else. Y else here for the above one, right? See now, so y is fixed, guys. Now, right? Now y is fixed. Y is fixed. Remainder I'm comparing. I'm taking first x greater than z. Now I'm taking else means which one? Z greater than x like this. So first order is y z x. Second order is sorry y x z. The second order is y z x like this. Okay, great. Now I'll guys here take now print of, right? Print of. Right. Now what's the order, right? What's the order here? Now what's the order here, right? So y is common. Then we take now. Tell me now, guys. Now what's the order we take here? What are the variables we take? Tell me now. All of it. Tell me now. So what variables order I take now
Y,
here?
Z.
What are the All of you.
YZX.
Y.
YZX.
YZX.
Yes,
YZX.
correct. Y, Z, X, right? It's a which order, descending order. We take here print of, right? Print of the ascending order, right? Ascending order is right. Here, ascending order here, ascending order here.
X,
Reverse of, right?
XZY.
Yes, reverse of this one only. So we take here X, Z, and Y. That's all, guys. Now, that's all. Now, so guys, here one more is there. One more is there. The last one is which one now? Which one I highlight here? Now already taking the X as the first number over, taking Y over. Then I take the Z here. I take the Z comparison now. We take the right Z comparison. I'll take an L if I'll take else. And now Z greater than or equal to X and Z greater than or equal to which one? Equal to Y. Now tell me guys, which condition right again? Now tell me what is sub condition here? What's the inner if? What's inner if? I'll take here now. Which one I compare now? Which one I compare? Tell me.
X and Y.
We take
X,
which one?
X greater than equal to Y.
We take here if X greater than or equal to Y then guys here we take now print off, right? The descending order is right. What's the order here? Tell me now. What's the order here? What's the order?
ZXY.
ZX.
ZXY.
X Y. Clear. Now for this one I take the print of, right? Print of ascending order. We take here print of, right? Ascending order. So in ascending order, what's the order now? What's the order here? We take here now Y
YXZ.
X.
Y, XZ.
Yes, Y X Z. Okay. Then guys now in Elsa tell me now descending order now. In else now what is the descending order? What is the descending order here now?
ZYX.
Which one? See already right. Z X Y over, right? See Z X Y over. Next one, what do I do? Become like this Z Y X. Z Y X like this. Z Y X. All right. Already with the Z X Y over, right? X Y comparison over. Now I'm taking the else of if means which one reverse, right? Like Y Z. Like Y Z here, right? Sorry, Y X. Okay. It's a Y X. So now already X. So Z X Y over. Now Z Y X. Z right Y X. Okay. Y X. That's why Z Y and X. Now here again one more print of, right? Print of the ascending order is, right? Order is then the reverse of above. Which one? X Y Y Z. That's all. X Y Z. Okay. Let us try now, guys. Now we'll try it now. I am giving first number 10, last second number 11, next number 9, guys. Here 9. Observe now. The ascending order is what the ascending order here? So descending order is 11, 10, 9. Ascending order is 9, 10, 11. I want to get the commas, guys. Here now I want to get the commas like 10 comma 11 comma 10 under 9 like this. Then generally then what we do, guys? Tell me now how it's possible. Yes, so then in that case, guys, now it makes very complex to here. See, I'll show an example here by taking those all also. Observe, guys. Now I'll write here the descending, right? Descending. Okay, descending order is descending order is, okay. Descending order is then comma over, right? I take the comma X comma over again take the comma, right? Comma again I take the under. Which one now? Sorry, take here Y under Z. Okay, under Z, guys. Under Z. See, so I'm taking the X comma Y under Z. X comma y, and right, z. Suppose I'll take one example, guys. Now I'm taking numbers. Suppose 20, then suppose 10. I'm giving suppose 7, guys. Now, right, 7, 7. Now see, now observe, guys. Right, observe here. We're getting, right. We're getting actually as this thing are 2 times coming here. Why 2 times? We wrote 2 times, right? One is normally just x value, y value, z value displaying normally without commas, nothing under it. Now second time, what is happening here? I'm taking the x comma is there. Y and came, then 7, 7 here like this. But guys, if you observe, right, see, so I want 20 comma here, but 20 space comma came here, right? That's why, guys, now, and also then I want dot 7 dot, I want 7 full stop, right? For dot again, what we do, we take the quote like this. Okay, now see the program, guys. Here I'm giving same numbers 20, 14 or something 4, right? You see, right? I see 20 comma 14 and 4, and see where is the full stop here. Okay, so that's why, guys, to avoid these problems, simply what we do, right, what we do here, tell me now what we do, how to format the function, print function, very well, how to format the print function well, tell me now. We use help of further function, which one, format function. Okay, now observe, guys, here, observe now what I'm saying, the descending order of which one, x comma y and z, and z, that's all. Dot, now we take here dot format of, that's it, guys. Enough. Okay, enough, guys. Now we remove the comma here, enough, right? Next time, guys, now we'll take here also inside ascending order is some first value comma second value and the third value, enough. Now also we take here now dot format of, right, dot format of, dot format of, right. One extra came, right? Fine. Same, guys. Now I'll show you now. I'll show you here. See now, I'm giving same numbers 20. Then suppose 10. I'm giving 5 here. You can see, you can see now. Is 20 comma 10 space under 5. That's all. Same here in the ascending order, 5 comma like this here. If you don't want space here, I don't want comma space, or I want comma 10. Then remove the space here, enough. Remove the space like this. Okay, right. Next one, guys. Now I'll take the same thing, guys. I'll take the same format, right? Is first value comma right, no space, second value and right, and third value, dot. Now outside what we do, we take the dot format of, right, the dot format of we'll take like this, guys. Here same again here also inside. I'm taking all, guys, now comma second value and third value. I would take the data format of, right, format of, that's it. We take the format, guys. Here I'm trying to take all. Okay, within the code set, within the codes we take, I would say the dot format of, data format of. Here also I'll take now first placeholder comma second placeholder and third placeholder dot. Then we go say the dot format of, data format of, placeholder comma second placeholder, right, second placeholder and third placeholder, to stop here outside dot format of, right, format of like this. It's taking a little bit time, right? Second one and third placeholder dot outside dot format, right? Dot format. Right here dot missed. Here also right dot missed. Right, everything fine, okay? Yes, guys, everything I think fine. Let me run the program. Right, I'm giving now 12, 9, and 10, something like this. Something like this, guys. Okay, I'm giving 12, 12, 9, 10. Now, the same program, guys, now I'm going to explain you with that number out program with that values, okay? Just observe, guys, now. Just observe here. Just decrease the font size. I decrease font size and explain here. Right? Right. Oh, where is the user data? So, guys, now, right. So, all of you observe now, I remove this data, right? I remove this one. I remove this one. And I'm explaining all of you observe here, right? All of observe now. Right, all of you observe very clear, okay? Guys, one more spelling mistake is there. It's a which one, right? First number, guys, okay? First number. I'm giving same numbers 12, right? Then 9 and 10. Right. Now all of you observe here. Now it starts from here, right? What's first number? First number, observe, right? First number, right? Then I'm giving some second number, right? Second number here, and some third number, right? Some third number, guys. Okay, some third number here. It's going on the program, right? Going on the program. That's why we take some outside, guys. Here, the first number. Fine. Next, I'm taking outside the program. I'm taking the second one, second one, and then, guys, is the right third one. Is the third one. Okay, third one. Now, what's the first number giving here? The first number is what is coming now? 12, right? So 12 coming, guys, here, right? Now second number is what is coming here? 9 coming. Third number is right? 10 is given. Okay, 10 is given. So here the data are not given at the ascending order or not in the descending order. Just normal values given. Now the same, guys. Now 12 sent to which one? 12 sent to n1. 12 sent to n1, guys, here. Now what's n1 value now? N1 value is 12. Is that 12? Right. Next one n2, right? N2 this right? Assigned which one now? N2 here. What's n2 now? N2 is how much, right? 9. N2 is the 9. N2 is the 9. Next, same that n3, right? The third value assigned to third variable. What's the third value here? It is the 10. Okay, it is the 10, guys. Now 10. So n1 has 12, n2 has 9, n3 has 10, n3 has the 10. Now, so next one means, guys, in memory route n1, n2, n3 created with those values. Next one, this function definition also created in the memory. It is also done in the memory. Now, what is one here? Function call is, right? Function call is there. At the name of the function call, so the first of all, the function call name, function definition name, both are not. It will check it now. Both are not the same. function call name, function definition name. Both names are same. When the names are same, then from memory guys now it will bring which one n1, n2, n3 values. Okay. Now actually here what is n1 value now? What is n1 value here? N1 value is how much is there? N1 value 12, right? 12 is the n1 value. Next one and here only we have the n2, right? N2 value is there. Here only right n2 values. What is n2 value here? N2 value is how much? Right? 9. 9 is given by user. Next one n3, right? Same guys here. Now what is the n3 value now? What is the n3 value? N3 value is which one? That is the 10. That's all. Now we have the n1, we have the n2, we have the n3. We have the n3 guys now. Okay, fine. Now this one n1, n2, n3 assigned to which one? Assigned to xyz. Assigned to the right xyz. Okay, xyz. Now I can't take like this now because here these are important, right? These are the important things to compare. Now just what do I do guys now? N1, right? I'm taking here only. Here no problem. N1 assigned to which one? Assigned to the x. Assigned to the x guys now. What's n1 value now? Same. 12. Now 12 going to x. 12 going to x. 12 going to which one? 12 going to x. Okay. 12 going to x. That's all. Next guys now. Sorry. Next n2. N2 going to the n2 going to where? Now all of observe here. All of right n2. N2 going to where? Y. Now what's the y value now? What is the y value here? The y value is 9. Right? 9. Next one n3. N3 going to where? N3 going to the z, right? Z. What is z now? What is z? Z, right? Z is the which one? 10. Z is the 10 guys now. Z is the 10. Z is the 10. Right? Fine. Now these three values will go to the body. Will go to the body. What's the body guys now? This is all is the body only. It's all which one? Body only. It's all right body. Okay, body guys here. Fine. Now first of all, what is x guys? What is x value? 12, right? 12. Now I'm comparing here 12 greater than or equal to 9 and also 12 greater than or equal to 10. Both are true or false now. Both right, true or false, right? See guys now. I'm taking here small letters observe now. If right, if x greater than or equal to y means 12 greater than or equal to which one? Y means 9. Okay, 9 and right and same 12 greater than or equal to which one? Equal to 10. Right now, so here it is true. It is also true. It is also true. It is also true. Yes or no guys? Right? It's true. Both are true. When both are true, then complete when x when see both are right here, both are true means now means if is true now. If is true. If is true. Now all of observe right if is true. If is true, if is true, then go inside the block. It's the block of if. It's the block of the if, right? Now go to if now. Go to the if. Go to the if block. This is the if block, okay? If block. In the if block, I am comparing again. I am comparing the which one? Comparing the y and z, right? Y and z. Now guys, here observe now. I am writing here. What is the y value? 9. If right 9 greater than or equal to 10. 9 greater than or equal to 10. Now true or false guys now? True or false? See this if is true or false. The outer if is true. That's why now we are inside the if, right? Now this if is true or false. This if is true or false. If is false because 9 is not greater than or equal to 10. That's why if is false. If is false, then we go to else. We go to else now. Go to the else here. All right. So here if is true, all observe now. The first if is true here, right? The if is true. If is true, all observe now here, right? If is true. Okay, if is true. Okay, that's why I'm going inside the if. Inside the if. Inside the if, what is there again? If is there again. We have the if. Now this if is true or false. Now if is false, that's why I'm going to the else now. I'm going to the else. In the else, what's the meaning of else here now? What's the meaning of else, guys? Here, reverse of this one. Reverse of this one. That means which one here? Generally 9, 9, 9 less than 10. All are clear, right? Here in the if I have taken the 9 greater than or equal to 10. Saying false, then else means what is remaining here? 9 less than 10 only. 9 less than 10 only. Now true or false here? Yes, it is true, right? Then guys, now means now what is the x value all taken here? X value 12 is fixed. X value 12, right? X value 12. Then here 9 less than 10. 9 less than 10. Less than 10. So x is fixed. What is y value here now? Y value here? Which one? What is 9 value here? It's the y, right? Y and it is the z. It is the z. So now 9 less than 10 actual, right? That's why I'm taking here x and the zy. Why zy? Because it's false, right? It's false means what's meaning here? Y less than z only. Y, right? Y less than z only. That's why I'm taking now z and y. Z and y. That is the descending order, guys. Now there is the descending order, and ascending means reverse of this one. Reverse of this one, right? Which one? See y, then z and x and x. Okay. Okay. So finally, all of you observe. I repeat one more time. So here it is false means what's the meaning now? Y less than z only. Now confirmation clear. Now x is there. First one x, then z, then y, then y. That's why the order is which one? The order is see x, then z, then y. Which order? Descending order. Ascending means reverse only. That's why now this print will execute. It displays the descending order is which one? X value here, x value. Next one, which one? Z value here, z value, right? Z value and y value here. Which value? Y value here, right? Y value. So here x, right? X. Then next one, z. Sorry, x. What is x value, guys? Actually, x value is how much now, right? 12. Now here, what is z value? Z value is that 10. And last, what is the last one? Y. What's y value? What's y value there? Y value is 9. That's all. It's the descending order. Ascending means reverse, right? So y value. What's y value here? 9. Then z value means 10. Then x value means 12. X means 12. That's why the output is the descending order is 12, 10 and 9. That's what came here. That's what came here. Enough. Next, the ascending order is ascending order is 9, 10 under 12 The same came, guys, here. The same came here. That's all. See, when the if is true, then I don't go to elif. You don't get else blocks, guys. Now, when if is true, it executes its body only, not going for the other conditions, because the first condition is true already. That's why automatically the remaining elifs all will be skipped. All will be not be executed. All will not be executed, guys. Now, so this is the program flow, guys. Now in this case, starting from here, right? Observe now, guys. Starting from where? Starting here, right? So starting here. So from here, starting, right? Starting from here, assigning to the one, assigning to the variables, assign to the variables. Those variables I am calling in the right function call. From there, going to the function definition, right? Function definition. In the function definition, I means start the block. It go to the body, check the condition. Now condition is true. If condition is true, then go to inner if. Inner if is false. So go to else block. Then, guys, here this output came. Guys, here. That's all. That's it, guys. Enough. Okay, right. Let us see one more by taking the different values again in a different order. Now, all of you, this flow is clear, right? All of this flow is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Fine. Right. Next one, guys. Now, next one, let us see different values now, right? I'll take the first value, for example, small value. Okay, then I'll take the first value, right? First value 10, right? First value, right? First value 8. Next one, I'll take suppose 12, and I take here suppose 10 guys here. Okay, 10. See here also, I'm not taking the ascending descending order guys here, right? Ascending descending order. Now, all of you observe. I'll explain one more time also. I'll explain one more time, guys. Here, okay. Now, all of you observe. If you understand, okay, no problem. Again, listen it. Any confusion is there. Now it will be clear to you. Second time, okay. Right, guys. Now what's first of all I'm giving here 8. All of you observe, right? First I'm giving the right which value 8 I'm giving here. So first one 8. Okay, 8 guys. Now all of you observe here. I'm giving the first value to which one? Right, first variable to the right first variable. Now second value to which one? Second variable assigned to the second right second variable guys. Now assigned to the right second variable. Third value to the assigned to where? Assigned to the right third variable. Okay, third variable. Now what are the values here? 8 is giving. Okay, next for a second value, which one? 12 is giving, and for third one, how much giving? 10 is giving. 10 is giving. Okay, now same guys. Now 8 assigned to which one? N1, right? 8 assigned to N1. Now what's N1 value? 8. Next second, right? Or second one here, N2. What's N2 value here? N2 value is 12. N2 value is 12. Now N2 value is 12. Next guys, now N3. What's N3 value coming here? 10 is coming. So N3 is the 10. Now all of you observe here. Right, all of you observe now. The N1 is the 8, and N2 is the 12, and N3 is the N3 which one? N3 is the 10. Okay, 10. Now these three variables are created in the memory by saving the three values. N1 has 8, N2 has 12, N3 has the 10. Okay, fine. Now they're in the memory, right? Next one, it also create in the memory. Now N1, N2, N3 displaying order. These four are stored in the memory. Okay, fine. The next one, which one here? Function call is there, right? Function call is there. When the function is calling, first of all, check the names. Check the either the same function name or not. Same function name or not, right? First of all, both are same names only. Both are same names only. Okay. Then, when both are same names, guys, then it takes the this variable values from where? From memory, actually, from memory. But I am taking from here on N1 first N1 value coming. Or N1 value guys here, or N1 value here, or N1 value already memory, right? 8, right? 8 is giving by user 8. Next, take the N2. What's N2 value? Take the N2 guys now. The N2 value is how much, right? 12. N2 value is 12. Okay, 12. Next, take the N3 value. Take the right N3 value. Take the right N3 value. What's N3 value here? N3 value is 10. 10 guys now. Okay, 10. All of you observe very clearly. Okay, N1 has 8, N2 has 12, N3 has 10. 10. Okay, 10. Now, so these three actual parameter values should assign to which one? Formal parameter, right? That's why what I'm taking here, N1 assigned to the X. Okay, next N2 assigned to the Y, going to Y, and N3 also going to where? Going to Z. Going to Z. So finally, guys, now X value now again coming here 8, next 12, next 10. That's all. All of clear, right? So finally now X value is 8, Y value is 12, Z value is 10. Now, so first of all, check the if. See guys, now first if is there, then see first what's there here. If condition is there, if is true, then go inside the block, execute the block. If is false, then go to elif now, check the condition here. If it is true, then go to block, execute the block. If it's false, it's also false, then go to one more condition like this, one more like this here. Okay, right. Now, first of all, here, check this condition. I'm writing that one here, right? I'm writing the condition guys here. So what's the point here? X greater than or equal to y, and also greater than or equal to z, right? So I'm writing here, all of you just observe here. What's x value? 8, right? I'm taking here if 8 greater than or equal to y. What's y? 12. And same 8 greater than or equal to 12. Z, what is Z? 10. 10. Now, this one is true or false. This one is true or false. This is the false. Why false? Because 8 is not greater than 12. And also here also 8 not more than 10. That's why if is false. If is false, guys, now if is false, then what happens now? Skip the its own block, right? Means go to the elif now. Go to the elif here. Why elif going here? Because guys here if is false, if is false. Okay. Yes, if is false here, if is false. Okay. Now going to elif. Now check the condition here. Check the condition. Check the condition here. See, in the previous case, guys, I checked this condition also. Why I checked at that time? At that time, the outer if is true. That's why I went inside the block. This one executed. But what happened here now? The outer if is false. That's why now going to the next condition. Now I check it here now. I check it here, guys. Observe now. I'll take the condition. Okay, I'll take the condition here. What's condition here? Observe now, guys. Observe here. What's the point here now? Y greater than or equal to z. What is y value? Y value, right? Observe, guys. Now, if 12 greater than or equal to which one? X. What's x value there? 8. Right? 8. And next one here? Z greater than or equal to, so y greater than or equal to z, right? Now guys, observe here. Now what is the y value? Same 12 greater than or equal to 10. 10 now. Now observe here. This one true or false? It is true. It is true. Why it is true? Because 12 is greater than or equal to 8 only, and also 12 greater than or equal to 10 only. Yes, it is true. If it is true, then go to its block. Go to its block, guys. That's all. Now, all of you observe here. Now, if is true, that's why I am going to the block now inside the if. I'm going to block, right? If is true, okay. If is true, guys, here. Now, in the block, I'm going inside the block, right? Inside the block. In the block, again, one condition is there. Which one? X greater than or equal to z. Now, check it now. I'm taking another if for x value, observe there, guys. Now observe here x and z, x y z values. Okay, for x value is how much? 8, right? If 8 greater than or equal to z, what z value? 10. Now this one true or false? This one true or false? If is true or false? If is false. Why false? Because 8 is not more than 10, right? It's false. If is false, and if is false, then go to else block now. Go to else block. Okay. Now go to the else block. Go to else block here. In this else block, what is the meaning here now? What is the meaning here? 8 less than 10 only. Yes or no, guys? Tell me, right? 8 less than 10 only, because I'm comparing 8 not greater than and also not equal. I'm comparing. Then what is remaining here? 8 less than 10 only. 8 less than 10 now. So in this case, guys, now see now what's the here? What's the highest value? I'm taking the y. Y is the highest value. Then now which one here? Which one? Here 10. Why 10 here? Observe now. 10 means actually what's the logic here? The logic is which one? Z, right? Z. Okay. Right. Internally, what is there here? If z less than y. So less than which one? X, guys. Now see here it's not true means what's the remaining possibility here? Z less than x only. Z less than x, less than x, less than x. So guys, now I'm doing correct, right? Z less than x. Guys, here observe again one more time. So x greater than or equal to z. True or false? It's false, right? It's false. It's false. Then what is the remaining here? Guys, correct only. Small mistake here. Now what's remaining here? The remaining is which one? X, right? X less than which one? Less than z only. Less than z. So guys, here see these conditions, right? Check, compare here, right? Compare this one and this one here now. Okay. Actually, guys, now there are three possibilities. One is one is maybe greater than, or maybe equal to, or else which one less than only. All of right. See, the relation may be greater than, or maybe equal to, or maybe greater than or equal to, or remaining which one less than only. That's why here these two I'm comparing already here. Those two I'm comparing already here. I'm comparing, but false. What is remaining here? Less than only between those two operators. That's why it's the less than internally. Directly x less than y, less than y, less than, sorry, x less than z, z less than z. That's why the first value y, second value z, then third value x, third value, because x less than z means x is smaller, z is bigger, value. That's why the order is y, z, x, y, z, x, guys. Now y, z, x. Okay. Now fine, go to here. Now see y, z, x, y, z, x. Okay. Then guys, here it starts the descending order is then take the first y value here, take the y value, then take the right z value, which one z value here, and take the x value, guys, here. Okay. What's the y value? What's the y value, guys? Actually 12. Right. Take a small font size. Okay. 12. Next, second one z. What z value? 10. Then third value x. What x value, guys? Now 8. So order is the descending order is 12, 10 and 8 and 8. That's what happening, guys. Now that's what displaying the output. The next one descending order is right. Then take the first x here, take the x. Next take the z, and take the y, guys, here. Our x value here, x value is 8. Next z value is 10, and y value is 12. So then displays the ascending order is 8, 10 and 12. That's what displaying here. Is what displaying, guys, here. Enough. Now, so all of clear how it executing internally. So guys, here the program started from where, guys? Here, see now the program started from where? So from here, guys, right? From okay, from here going to the right, assign to the variables, right? Variables are created. From there the same values coming to which one function call. From there they're going to the which one function definition for formal arguments, right? For formal arguments, going there, and from there they go inside the means body, and compare the first if true or false, it's false, then go to the which one L if, and this one true or false, this is true, and but if inner if is false, then else is automatically else will execute, then else block will execute output coming, guys. Now else block the output is coming. That's all, guys. Now so starting here and also ending here only, starting here, ending here, between starting ending, this is all happening, guys. Now this is all happening. See, I'm giving the values, click enter, just a displays, that's all. But between these two, between starting and ending, what is happening, guys? Here, this is all program executing. This is all program executing, guys. That's all.